Today we're going to be unboxing weBoost's newest mobile cell booster, the Drive Reach. The Drive Reach promises best-in-class performance for a multi-user mobile cell booster. Let's take a look at what we get. I got a demo unit from our friends at weBoost, and while I think everything is just about what you're going to see when you get it, some of the cables might not be wrapped quite as nicely. That's just typical of demo units, so let's not hold that against them. We start with a really nice retail package here. Nicely boxed together and also easy to kind of carry out of the store if you're going to buy it at retail. Of course, you're going to buy this at Solid Signal, so the retail packaging doesn't matter much. It's just kind of nice. Pull it apart and first thing that you're going to see is the instruction packet. There's also a couple of strips of Velcro in there. They're going to help you hold the thing. So taking a look at the main booster unit itself, first of all, I gotta say this thing is gorgeous. The red is really nice, deep and blue, and this is a heavy unit. This is like a brick, and that means it's well built. There's a lot of metal there which is going to dissipate heat, and that's important. It's got this sticker on top. Don't throw this away right away because it's going to be the easiest way to register your booster, and right now that's still completely required. You have to do that. It's an FCC rule. Quick look at the underside of this booster. It's already got a couple of pieces of industrial Velcro put in place. In a lot of cases, this is going to be enough to secure the booster on the floor, but the whole bottom comes off and you can go through these screw holes to really bolt it securely if you're looking for something permanent. It's a nice touch, not something that everybody does. Next thing you'll find in the box is the outdoor antenna. Let's take a closer look here. Very similar to what we see in other weBoost products, except the connector has changed to a spring-loaded one instead of a screw-on one. This may seem like a move backwards, but honestly, it makes sense because getting that connector screwed in when the booster is already bolted down can be pretty difficult. And having taken a look at this, I think that you're not going to find those springs coming loose. I don't think you're going to have any connection problems, no matter how long that's installed. Taking a closer look, we have an adhesive disc for glass roofs. We've got the indoor antenna right here. This is the power supply. Let's take a good look at each one of these. Indoor antenna is nice and small, and it's got that push-on spring connector. It must have an internal reflector because it is very clearly labeled which side that you should put out and which side you should put in. They do include some Velcro for you to attach it. The power supply in my demo unit came wrapped up like this, but I'm not going to ding the folks at weBoost for that because honestly this is a demo unit and I'm sure the production unit's going to look a lot cleaner when they're all put together. The most important thing you need to look at here is that it loses the power on-off switch of the previous generation, which is a good thing. That's just one less thing to bump. And it now has a 2 amp USB plug, so you can charge pretty much anything and not have to take it out of the lighter socket. That's a big win. Taking one last look at the entire kit, everything comes in there. This is basically everything you're going to need for installation. This is a great DIY project. It can also be done by a professional because that has all the things that a professional is going to need to do it 100% right. Gotta say, great job by weBoost. I'm very pleased with what I got. The weBoost Drive Reach is now available at Solid Signal. Just click the link that you see in this video to go straight to it.